my loves! Welcome back po sa ating channel. Ang topic po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa isa sa mga tricks na ginagamit ng mga narcissist. At ang tricks na yon, ang tawag po ay Hoover. Ang Hoover po ay yung parang gusto kanilang ibalik doon sa sa cycle ng abuse. So, halimbawa, nung nakawala ka na doon sa relationship na yun, mag-ano yan siya sa'yo, magpaparamdam. Let's take a look at some of the creepiest and most common forms of hovering below. Please note that many of these signs are common among relationships that have just ended. So, if you're still being pursued by your ex, this might not necessarily mean that you're being hovered or that they have dark intentions. Hovering is a pathological and manipulative form of behavior that is intended to suck you back into another cycle of abuse. When reading these signs, please be honest about your relationship and ex-partner. Number 1. Pretending that your relationship isn't over. They will ignore your request to cut off contact, continue sending you the same messages, will show up at your house, job, etc. They'll continue harassing you as if nothing has changed at all. Ano siya? Yun. Pwede siyang yung yung Hoover pwedeng magte-text sa'yo na I miss you. Pwede ring mag-message sa'yo ng harassment messages. Yun, it's considered as Hoover kasi they need your reaction. They need their fix. They need their quick fix. They need this narcissistic supply. Yun po ang purpose ng Hoover. To abuse you. Number 2. Sending unsolicited gifts. In an attempt to get you back, they will send you lavish and unexpected gifts such as flowers, cards, tickets to movies and concerts, cakes, and you name it. Number 3. Apologizing for their behavior. To try and engage you, the narcissist will appear to own up to their mistakes and will find humility and remorse in an attempt to pull your heartstrings. Their messages or words will sound very convincing, so be careful. Do not buy this bullshit. Yung sorry nila, it doesn't mean anything. Really. Ang kailangan lang nila is to get the mapaniwala ka nila ulit at ulitin lang yung cycle ng abuse. Nothing more. Number 4. Indirect manipulation. They can't get through to you directly. Familiar. They will go a different route, your friends, children, or other family members. For example, they might try to send you messages through your friends or say something slanderous about you to your family, which you'll then feel the need to correct. When you've been hooked, you'll be lured into confronting them about their lies. The narcissist may even try to use your children against you. For instance, if your ex has custody of your children, he or she might put the child on the phone asking you to come back home or get them to write letters to you. This is powerful and highly manipulative hovering technique. Gamitin talaga nila yung emotion mo. Number 5, declaring love. Declaring love is in perhaps the most common hovering technique out there because love is such powerful emotion. Narcissists will not hesitate to use it to lure you back into their clutches. They will say things such as, "You're my soulmate, we are made for each other, you're the only person I've ever loved," to tempt you into contact again. Do not fall for these tricks. Number 6. Sending random messages to you and ghost phone calls. If you're being hovered, you'll likely receive random messages from the narcissist asking for and commenting on different things. Expect texts such as please, wish, and so on. Happy anniversary from me. Did you take my personal item? Are you going to dinner tonight? I'm standing in the place we first met. Or thinking of you, and so forth. The narcissist may even send you accidental messages with intention of putting a knife in your heart, such as, "I love you, honey, I'll be home at 6," to their new partner with the intention of enticing response from you. It's a sick mind game. Kunyari na wrong send, para lang yung saktan ka, lalo na alam nila na you're still in emotional state. Wala talaga silang, walang kakonsekonsensya manakit ng kapwa nila, ng tao. Another creepy tactic is receiving ghost phone calls. For example, you might receive frequent phone calls from private numbers and receive long silence or soft breathing on the other end. This tactic is used to freak you out and get you to engage. Familiar, ah? Faking vulnerability and the need for help. The narcissist will go to any extent to get your attention and sympathy. Faking the need for help is such a powerful hovering technique because it preys on our natural tendency to show compassion to others. The narcissist might send you messages and leave you voicemails telling you that they're sick, they need your help, they're desperately in trouble and need you to call them back, or even that they're going to kill themselves. I've heard of narcissists that have gone as far as faking serious illnesses like cancer and heart attacks just to prey on others and drill them into abusive cycles again. Note, if you think someone is going to kill themselves, please call your local police service. If they kill themselves, bring them flowers. Baiting you with drama. Number 8. If all over hovering techniques fail, the narcissist will try baiting you with drama. They will send you melodramatic messages, create havoc in your social life through spreading rumors, use your children as an excuse to express rage and hissy fits, and put on scenes with the intention of provoking reactions from you. Grabe talaga. Ganon sila ka low moral. Lack of integrity, lack of moral compass. How to stop being a victim of hovering. First, important to understand that hovering is designed to trick you by playing on your emotional vulnerabilities. A narcissist knows very well how to manipulate you, and they will disguise their contact as an attempt to seek reconciliation or forgiveness, friendship, and even love. Because hovering is essentially about emotional survival for the narcissist. They will often go to extreme extent to get your engagement. They will lie, pretend, and coerce you in any way they can so that they can get what they truly craving: power, control, and validation. That is narcissistic supply. If you feel that you're being stalked, don't hesitate to contact the police. The narcissist abuse is a very real issue. Here are some of the best way to end the cycle of narcissistic abuse. Change your phone number and social media accounts and block them. So, I think, dun na lang muna. Natapos natin yung narcissistic traits na hovering or hover. Mga loves, wag po kayong magpapaniwala, wag po kayong maniwala sa Hoover na may emergency, total Christmas naman, total Pasko naman ngayon, total birthday ko naman, ganyan. O kaya kung nanay nyo yan, nasa hospital yung tatay mo, ganyan. Wag na kayong wag nyo nang patulan. Do not fall for that bullshit kasi they just need your emotional reaction. They need quick fix. They need these drugs. The narcissistic supply you provide for them. So stop feeding the demons. enough is enough. So, I hope po na may natutunan po tayo dito sa video na ito. Thank you so much po for being here with me watching this video. Thank you so much, guys, and love yourself first. Bye.